Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and see again I am back to teach you SST. So I may that you are not feel bored. It's a very interesting chapter, and the chapter is about the continents and oceans. So in last videos I had taught you about much more about the continents, in fact the landform also. So let's start, but before that one more information that please don't go inside. I'm repeating this, it's not a joke, it's a very serious issue, that COVID-19, because nowadays the virus is increasing. So that's why we are teaching the online classes and we are not going to school to teach and these all. So it's better that please stay at home and continue as online classes, and please be watch the online classes, so you will get your study and you will not feel bored on your houses also. So let's start that what is continent. First of all, that in last videos I taught you about the earth surface, which is covered by land and water. So water, we have 75% water on earth and 25% water, 25% land on earth surface. So whatever the large areas of land, means the large area of land are known as continents. The large area of land, where the lands are large, that area are called continents. And here I've already showed you the map. Shown you the map, that the world map. So here are the continents. So you will find the 7 continents are there, and I have given you the homework also to learn the continents, 7 continents with spelling. And first continent is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. So these all are the 7 continents. So I have given you the homework to learn it with spelling. Now India is what? It is also part of Asia. India is in part of Asia. Landform is what? Where the land on the earth's surface has different shapes and forms. Means on land, means on earth's surface, we have a different shapes of different size of different forms of lands, and these lands are called landforms. In fact, we are calling also natural features. So on earth's surface, the different shapes and forms are called landforms or natural features. In fact, we usually use special words to talk about these natural features. So the words are mountain, hills, valley, plateaus and plains. These all are the special words whatever we are using to talk about the natural features. So let us talk about the much more about these all landforms. First we have knows about the mountain, hills and valleys. So what is mountain? The highest area of the earth, the highest area on the earth are called mountain. What is mountain? The highest areas on earth are called mountain. Next, the top of the mountain. Suppose it's a mountain, the highest area of on the earth are mountain, and then the top of the mountain is called its peak. The top, this top is called peak. P-E-A-K, peak. Next, high areas of land means the areas which are high land, not as high as mountain, means not same as mountain, not high as mountain, are known as hills, Now next, a line or group of mountain or hills is called a range. These all you have to learn it, that what is mountain, what is peak, what is hills, what is range and what is valley. So range is what? A line or a group of mountains or hills is called a range. The low land between 2 hills or 2 mountains, the low land between 2 hills or 2 mountains is known as valley. I hope you understood. Next, plateaus and plains. So let's go through these chapter, and I hope that topic you have understood. So let's go. Like plateaus and plains, large areas of high land that are flat on the top are known as plateaus. So plateaus are what? The large area of highland, means in highland the large areas which is flat on the top, means it is large area and there is a flat on the top, are known as plateaus. Flat on the top are known as plateau. They are also known as tablelands. They are also known as tablelands. So if you have the book, then in page number 70, here is some pictures are there. Major landforms on the earth's surface. I am showing you the picture, this picture. In this picture, we can understood easily about the valleys, mountain, hills, range, and whatever the topics are there. Please you can go through. Like mountain is the highest landform. Then coastal plain is what? Low, flat, and along an ocean. Plain is what? Mostly flat land. Hills are what? Raised landform, not as high as a mountain. And plateau, high, flat land, valley, lowlands between hills and mountains. So plateau is also known as tablelands. Next, plains are large stretches of almost flat lands. Plains is what? It is almost a stretches or flat land. Flat means like a flat roof. They may have been formed from following lava. Lava means, I think that you understood about the lava, like hot liquid, that is color is red. Hot liquid rock that comes out of a volcano, that is called lava. And it's what? Lava is what? It formed, they always formed from following lava. Whose formed plains are always formed by the following lava, or when hills and mountains were broken down by wind or rain. It is like a river which is formed in between the hills and mountains. Suppose if hills and mountains are broken, and when the rains and wind are there, so that the water comes down, that are called valley. Now plains are generally suitable for growing crops. Plains are, because plains are what? Plains are almost flat land, and in plains between there are the waters are there, rivers, like valleys are there, and that land is very fertile for crops, because that water is there, water lands are there, so that's why that area is very fertile to growing the crops. So they are important for agriculture. So plains are usually very important for agriculture. The land near the sea or oceans is known as coast. So coast is what? The land which is near the seas or oceans. Oceans means water, and seas is also water bodies. So in between the two lands, near the land between these between these rivers, they are known as coast. Coastal plains are flat areas of land near the seas. So coastal plains is what? They are flat areas. Flat areas of land means they are totally flat areas of land. It is near the sea. These are generally sandy. Sandy means sands are there, so these are called the sandy. Next, desert. That we will see in the next day about the desert. So I am just telling you in few words. Desert is what? These are areas which is received very little amount of rain, and there is a very few plants grows like cactus, and there is what it not receive too much water, and there is too much hot and dry, because sandy area is what? It's known as for hot and dry, because water is not there, and it is very difficult to find out some water. Plants is also not grow there because of the sandy areas, and here is what? It receive very little rain also. So it's very getting problem to grow any plants and the people to survive there. so that about the dessert we will learn much more details in the next classes. So please guys continue in the next classes, and please watch the online classes also, and whatever the homework, please do it in good handwriting also. Thank you and have a nice day. Please don't go outside, stay happy and be inside your house. Thank you.